Okay, so today is Monday. It is actually Columbus Day, and even though the post office was closed today, we still received our deliveries from UPS and FedEx. Today I received these 5 boxes in, so I will show you what came in those. These 3 are really heavy. They're each 50 pounds. So in this box, I have a 50-pound bag of citric acid. I go through a 50-pound bag about every 3 weeks. And this is it says Tate and Lyle on it. This is my cornstarch. This is a 50-pound bag of cornstarch. And these are all from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And then this bottom one should be another citric acid. So that's another citric acid, another 50 pounds. So I got 100 pounds of citric acid and a 50-pound of cornstarch. And then in these 2 boxes, so this one actually came from Amazon. This just has some silicone molds and another silicone mold. And this silicone mold, these ones are for my my conditioner bars. And then this box is also from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And I save all the bubble wrap. I reuse it. So in this box, I have a gallon of castor oil. I use this in my soaps. I have a bottle of vitamin E, also known as T50. I use this in my conditioner bars as well. And then I have a few colorants here. I have my Bath Bomb yellow powder. And Shimmering White Clouds mica. And my Granny Smith green mica. I was almost out of this one. It's one of my colorants that I use the most. And the yellow I use a lot too. And I think that's it. So that's everything that came in today. So 4 of the boxes came in from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and then 1 came in from Amazon. And I'm expecting more tomorrow. So I'll update tomorrow. Okay, today's Tuesday. The post office and FedEx both made deliveries today. So this is the one package I received from the post office. This is my gallon of sweet almond oil. And these 2 boxes are really heavy. These, I believe, let me see. I think these are from Make Your Own. Is the name of the company. Yes. Alright, so in here they put in a Lucky Shamrock mica sample. That's nice. I always like getting samples of things in with my orders. So that was nice. All right, let's see what we've got in here. Now, most of this stuff, not all of it, but most of it is the ingredients that I use to make my shampoo and conditioner bars. So we've got DL Panthenol. There's 1 pound of that. 1 pound of menthol crystals. This I don't use in my shampoo or conditioner bars. I use these for some other products. I have a gallon of polysorbate 80, which I also don't use in my shampoo or conditioner bars. I use that in my things like my bath bombs and my bath soaks. A 5-pound bag of kaolin clay. This is a very big bag. It's a 10-pound bag of my BTMS 25. So this I do use for my shampoo bars and my conditioner bars. Then I've got a bottle of argan oil. And a bottle of honey quat. A bottle of silicone. A bottle of hydrolyzed wheat. And a bottle of Dermal Plus. This is a preservative that I use in any of my products, like my shampoo bars and my conditioner bars, that have contact with water or have water as an ingredient in them so they don't get moldy. So that's everything that was in this box. Trying to find my knife here. Okay, next box. Oh, they put in another sample. So this is a sample of mulberry mica. I love this big bubble wrap. I use that to ship out my packages. And then I'm going to put this knife down because I'm going to poke something. Okay, so in here I've got, this is a 10-pound bag of SLSA powder, also known as sodium lauryl sulfoacetate. So a 10-pound bag of SLSA. Oh, this box, no wonder this box is so heavy. Now this one has my SCI noodles in it, and this is a 10-pound bag of SCI noodles. And hopefully you can see the little noodles in there. This is for my shampoo bars. And then this very heavy bag at the bottom should be my SCI chunks. Where's the label on it? Alright, so this is my 25-pound bag of sodium, or SCI, because I can't pronounce that one word, of my 25-pound bag of my SCI chunks. As you can see, they're in really big chunks. And this is why last week I purchased a grinder, a little coffee grinder, because I got such a good deal on this. So instead of using the powder, I can use the SCI chunks to grind it down and make a powder out of it. And it was cheaper than buying powder. So I'll just grind it myself. So, that box was heavy. So that's everything that came in today. So we'll see what comes in tomorrow.